Okay, welcome back. Here we're going to do the melody for Dark Eyes now, okay? And if you obey the 1 finger per fret rule, then you won't have a problem with fingering. That means use those 4 fingers you got right there. Okay, I guess you could consider the pinky is it a finger? Yes, it's a finger. Alright, so this isn't a finger. Alright. You're going to start, your fingers are going to kind of be on the, between the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th fret, and you might stretch out to the 13th fret with your pinky. But keep your fingers in position if you can, alright? So on this, we're going to start with our 2nd finger on the 10th fret, so that our 1st finger is on the 9th. These are just the 2 we're going to use. So we're going to start on the 9th fret. This is a pickup note. There's going to be 2 notes that are pickup notes. Okay? And pickup notes are simple. They're just the notes that happen before the downbeat. Boom. So the first chord in the song is A7, so that's the downbeat. When you hear that chord, that's the downbeat. You're going to play these 2 notes before that. But you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how you're going to play it. So let me go over the fingerings with you on the melody first before you play the melody. Remember, I know this is an absolute beginner's video, and it's for the absolute beginner, so the people that already know how to do this can fast forward or go to a different video. Okay. Now, this is how we're going to play it. So we're going to start out, we're going to go 9th fret on the 2nd string, and then the 10th fret on the 2nd string. So that's 9, 10. Notice I'm using 1st finger, 2nd finger. Now I'm going to go like this. That's my 3rd finger, and that's going to be on the 11th fret on the 2nd string. Okay, then I go back to the 10th fret. Alright, so here's what that lick sounds like together. Okay, got that? Let's try it again. 9, 10, 11, hold it a little bit, 10. Actually, if you're counting beats, this is like this is 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's how you want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, got that? Practice that if you're not sure. Alright, the next one is, after we go da 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 da, they're going to go da 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 da, which is nothing but a repeat. So you're just going to repeat it. So actually you do this twice. Okay. Now the next one is 10 on the 1st string, and you're going to go like this. Okay, then that's 3 beats, or 3. Okay, then you're going to have the 4th beat, and then you're going to go to the 9th fret. Now this is the 1st string, so it goes like this. Got it? Practice that. Again. Okay, so put those 2 together. 2, 3. Okay, that's the first 2. The third idea is this. 1st string. 10, 12, 13, 12, 10. So it's... Got it? You might have seen me do the slide here and come back. That's because you can slide on half steps. But if you want to be strict about this, you can do 1, 3, 4 on your fingers. Okay? Okay. Now the next one is... Now that's the same thing, right? 10, 12, 13. Come back to 12. And then you're going to switch to the 2nd string. Now that's the 11th fret on the second string. So that's the only thing different here. Okay, look at that. Okay. Now back to the next part of the song, which is 10, 12, 13 again. And then down to the 10th fret on the second string. So notice the similarities between those last two lines. One is on 11. The next line is the same, but you stop on the 10th fret on the second string. Okay, then the final part of the song is here on the where you stopped. 10, you can go 10, 9, 10. Oops. That would be the 11th. So this is like the beginning of the song. Okay, same thing. And then for the finishing part, you go up to the 13th fret on the first string. Okay. 12, 10. Some people like to do this. And that's okay, we can do that. Let me put these all together now for you. That was probably a long explanation on the notes. So let's listen to it in context. In fact, this is what we were using on the last line. We are going to go down to the 9th fret. We are going to go. That is our last three notes. 13 on the first string, 9 on the first string, and then 10. That's the proper way. I don't know what got into me to tell you to do it on the 12th fret there. Okay, so now, see if you can see this a little bit better. If I can just pause this for a second. Just a sec. Okay, let's see. You can see this a little bit better now, right? Okay, now, here, let me play this again for you. Okay? Get up close so you can see what's going on here. This is the 10th fret. Forget about these dots. It's kind of confusing. So, 10th fret. But, remember, one finger for fret, so it starts on the 9. So we're going to go 9 here. 1, 2. Okay, let's do that again. A couple of times through. Maybe we'll get it, okay? 1, 2. Now I did that a little bit more with muting, so the notes were more staccato. Okay, let's try this a little bit up the tempo. 1, 2. Okay, that's your melody. Okay. We're also going to have an ending to this song, okay? So let's do that next.